In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Teams and start a Teams meeting. Once you're all set up, I'll guide you through the process of sharing a document with your team so you can effectively collaborate. Let's dive in. First things first, we'll get you logged into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't downloaded the application yet, you can easily get it from the Microsoft website or use the web version if that suits your preference. Open the Teams application or visit the site where you'll be prompted to enter your work or school email. After entering your email, input your password in the next field. Make sure it's correct, and if you can't remember it, don't hesitate to hit that Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, you'll land on your Teams dashboard. Now, let's start a Teams meeting. In the left navigation bar, you'll see an icon that says Calendar. Go ahead and click on that, and a new window will pop up showing your schedule. Look for the Meet Now button, either located at the top right or bottom left corner of the screen, depending on the device you're using. Click Meet Now and a prompt will appear for you to either name your meeting or simply start it as it is. Naming your meeting can help participants know what it's about beforehand, so consider doing that. Once done, click on Join Now to start the meeting. With the meeting underway, you'll probably want to share some files with your team. Focus on the bottom of your screen where you'll find the Meeting Controls dock. Look for a chat icon, which, when clicked, opens the meeting chat or side panel. This is where we'll share the document. Inside this panel, you'll observe a small paperclip icon or the phrase Share File. Clicking on it will open up options to either pull a document from OneDrive or upload from your computer. Choosing OneDrive will direct you to your stored files in the cloud, which is convenient if you frequently work with those files. If the document is stored locally on your device, simply opt for Upload from My Computer. After selecting your preferred source, navigate through your folders to locate the document you wish to share. Click on the document, then hit the Open or Upload button as prompted. This will attach the document to your meeting chat, allowing everyone present to access it immediately. Once the upload is complete, notify your team that the document is available for viewing or editing. And there you go. You've successfully logged into Microsoft Teams, started a meeting, and shared a document with your colleagues. Hopefully, this guide made things a lot easier for you. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.